मां स्टेज ते गुज़ारिश कंदमि एग्जीक्यूटिव मेंबर आहिनि द इंटेलेक्चुअल फॉरम जा प्रोफेसर एजाज़ قریشی साहब।
महिरबानी साईं अदी, महिरबानी साईं नूरानी साहब, लाशारी साहब, बलोच साहब, साईं मलिक साहब ऐं सभु हिते वेठल दोस्त। ऐं अॼु जेको ही असां सेमिनार कयो आहे इन जो मक़सदु इहो ई आहे त सरकार खे ऐं जुडिशल कमीशन खे we should inform them that what is happening, why the judges from this province are not being, although judges are being appointed from this province, there is no harm. Anybody who qualifies can be, but the question is also of the people who are Sindhi speaking at the same time. There is not a single judge as per the constitution or quota, whatever, in the Supreme Court. There is no problem. We are not prejudiced to anything, but we want a right of the Sindhi people that they should also be given the opportunity to serve the government, serve people of Pakistan, serve the Supreme Court. If you can't find judges from the High Court, you can elevate some senior most advocates. They will say, कहते हैं कि बाबा ये ट्रेडिशन नहीं है, मगर मेरे ख्याल में ये ट्रेडिशन अगर मना भी नहीं है, इसमें पास्ट में इस तरह के केसेस हो भी चुके हैं। अगर आपके पास लोग नहीं तो आप उनको उठा के एलिवेट करें ताकि उनको भी एक जो राइट मिलना चाहिए। मेरे ख्याल में ये एक ज़्यादती है, क्योंकि हम ये नहीं, हम कहते हैं बाबा सिंध में जो भी रहता है अगर वो इस सरजमीन को अपनी सरजमीन समझता है और अपने को उसके साथ सलाटता है तो वो यकीनन सिंध का ही बंदा है और उसका भी पूरा हक बनता है जिस तरह के है। मगर बात यह है कि इसका मतलब ये हरगिज़ नहीं होता कि सिंधी लोगों को कोई हक न मिले। हाई कोर्ट में बहुत से लोग हैं, यहाँ सिंध हाई कोर्ट से जो अभी जज गए हैं वो कोई 5वें नंबर पे, कोई 8वें नंबर पे, सीनियरिटी भी फॉलो नहीं की गई इस वक्त तक। तो ये एक चीज़ है जो हम चाहते हैं कि इस तरह, क्योंकि जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है and quota as per constitution is also very clear. Whatever the number is, that should be given chance, appointed. And you see, this intellectual forum is made by some professional intellectual people of Sindh, which Masood Nurani, former Advocate General and Senior Advocate, is leading. So I think this is, he is a lawyer himself. We are trying to point out the issues which concern the people, concern Sindh, even concern Pakistan, so that we must be making this known to the government and people and make them aware, although they all know it. Recently, a news appeared in the press that the Supreme Court Chief Justice wants that there should be no Sindhi judge in the Supreme Court. How far that is true, I don't know, because we haven't listened to him, but it was in the press. So once it was in the press, we felt very sorry that a man of his stature and the highest position in Pakistan, if says these words which are really making us sad. So this is what we, Intellectual Forum, is trying to pinpoint, bring the issues, and also sending papers to the government. So today here I would like to request, rather I would like to demand from the federal government and Judicial Commission and the Chief Justice of Pakistan to please look into this matter, and we should not be left behind like that. And also the Sindh government must be requested and asked to take the issue of its promises at the highest level. So the friends sitting here, I am not trying to be prejudiced. I am trying to be only saying that the rights of the people of whole Pakistan must be given to everybody. All the provinces are equal. There are judges from other provinces. Therefore, Sindh also needs to have its own portion of the right that should be given. This is what is our demand, and we will pass a resolution. Malik Sahab and Lashari Sahab, we must pass a resolution today so that we can give it to the press and even send to the Judicial Commission and the government and the Chief Justice. So this is my humble request, and I would really request all of you to kindly support us in this our vision. Thank you very much.